In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ads.txt to Squarespace site. Ads.txt is a small text file that tells advertisers which companies are authorized to sell ads on your site. Adding it helps prevent ad fraud and can improve ad revenue eligibility. We'll keep this simple and do it entirely within your Squarespace editor. Start by logging in to your Squarespace site and opening the site editor. In the left-hand sidebar, go to Pages so you can add a new item to your site. Look for the Add or Plus button, then choose Link. We're using a link because it lets us point a clean, root-level path to the file we'll upload. When the Link Settings panel opens, give the item the exact name Ads.txt. Using this exact name helps create a clean path and makes it easier for ad networks to find. Next, click into the URL field. By default, it may expect a web address, so switch it from a standard URL to file. This tells Squarespace that you want the link to point to a file you'll host on your site instead of an external page. Now upload your Ads.txt file. This file typically comes from your ad partner, and it contains lines that list authorized sellers. Make sure the file is plain text, saved exactly as ads. Text, with no extra extensions. After uploading, you'll see the file attached to the link. If you see a file name that isn't just Ads.txt, rename it before uploading so the final path stays clean. Before saving, check that the link title remains Ads.txt and that the URL field reflects the file you just uploaded. If your Pages panel shows navigation, it's fine to keep this link in a not linked area so it doesn't appear in your site's menu, but it will still be accessible. Click Save to confirm the link and attach the file. Then click Close to exit the Settings panel. That's it. The file is now hosted and mapped through your site. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. After a few minutes, you can visit your domain followed by /ads.txt in your browser to make sure you can see the file's contents. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a little time or clear your cache. If your ad partner ever updates the file, repeat these steps and upload the new version to keep everything current. You've successfully added Ads.txt to your Squarespace site, helping ad platforms